Human antiquities. Right there, see? Yeah, okay. Archaeology. So how do you say it? Right. Do you know how to, what the K with the line over the E means? It means a long E. Like E, you know, a long E. Right there. Right there. Right, good. Right on top of that. Okay.
Put on shows for the other dogs. She'd ask the dogs in the audience to bark to 10, and before they were done, she had tied her tail in a bow.
Say that again. That's a tongue twister. She had tied her tail in a bow. She had tied her tail in a bow. Boy, what a tongue twister. Huh?